Okay guys, well, we had a success with the vacuum cleaner, the good old Made in USA Electrolux vacuum cleaner. It's probably 35 to 40 years old, so let's see what kind of success we have in firing up this close to 55 to 60 year old fan here. Let's see if she still works. Let's try it. I'm going to plug it in here. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I'll try to keep the camera on the fan there. Okay. That's a fan. Well, that sucker works, man. There you go. Now you tell me, why in anybody's right mind would they go run out and buy a stupid new plastic disposable box fan when you got this thing that I paid a little bit more for? Look how good it works after all these years. Check it out. Alright guys. Okay, thanks for watching. See you around.